Hi, like in which batch are you of Brahmastra?
I'm from batch 4.
Batch 4. Okay. And your name is?
Akshay.
Akshay. Okay, Akshay, just tell me like how were the sessions and the level of tests that are conducted in Brahmastra?
Coming to the level of tests, these are really helpful and they try to cover multiple dimension in one question. So what happens is, if you look at the previous year question papers, it helps us to inculcate every dimensions into a single question in a very short format. So we are able to create this in a very holistic manner by comparing the test. And second is, what was the second question?
Like how do you find the tests that have been provided in Brahmastra, the level of the tests?
The level of the test is quite higher than what the UPSC is providing us. And if you prepare for a Brahmastra test and try to go and give a UPSC test, then it is very quite comparatively easier compared to what we are doing right now.
So, like, do you like the unconventional and the candid way of teaching of Sugam sir during the sessions, of course?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, that was one of the best thing that Sunya IAS is providing. It's actually quite objectified and it's providing us what is required. So that is really helpful for us, especially being an engineers. We try to focus on objectivity of preparation.
Acha, few lines about the mentorship that has been provided to you.
Mentorship wise, Sachin sir and Shubham sir are really good. I have been able to contact these two, and they have provided us with well-to-do mentorship. They have given us feedbacks that are really helpful. And while this journey is going on, they are telling us how to follow the discipline as well, and they are motivating us even in every class and with every session.
Thank you so much.